good, guys? What's good? As you can see, we have a couple things I want to go over. Is how I killed the NFP. It's a little late video, but I just want to show you how all of my students basically, caught a good amount of pips just through NFP. The signals, how they pay out, how it literally, you get an SMS text alert, and I'm basically trading live with you. I send you a direct text alert directly to your phone, and a lot of my students, what they do is just plug it in and trade live with me. And I'm going to show you how this all works. So as you can see right here, this is an SMS text alert directly to somebody's phone. And I told UJ that, they were going to rise up. And, the target zone was to get on board at 109.800. That's where I was looking to enter at. So, as you can see, an NFP, what happens is there's a couple rules. No new members, obviously, when you're new to Forex, you don't want to over leverage. You don't want to overtrade. You want to have a stop loss. You don't want to risk your account. You can't trade something that you can't afford, right? So as you can see right here, there's a price. Then we have the drawing. This is where the drawing is at. I basically drew the move out. Right here, this is where my entry zone is at. I want to enter. This is where I'm drawing that. I'm predicting that it's going to rise and spike all the way up. Instant move, 830. As you can see right here, there's NFP. You'll see the difference right now with the results. Instant spike up. So let's show you again. You have basically the rise from here. As I drew it out, right? I put in the entry and spiked all the way up exactly how I said. This is on NFP, man. This is on NFP. As you can see, this is something that we kill it every single month. And to be honest, I don't remember when's the last time I had a losing trade on NFP. Everything's been well on our end. Signals are paying out 90% wins. Sometimes we have 100% RO weeks. But it's really good. It's really good. So as you can see, NFP right there spiked all the way up. As I said, how would I know that? I mean, you have to have the right material. You have to be a coachable person. If you want to learn how to do it, you have to know how to be coachable, learn how to become a student, and learn from, somebody that knows and has what you want. That's really how you got to do it. That's really the first way is by starting up, learning from a mentor, having somebody that has what you want, teach you instead of you trying to figure it all out. Because, there's a lot of stuff online, but in reality, it's not the real deal. There's a lot of trainings that supposedly all these gurus and all that, but nowadays, man, it's really not the real deal. So, don't get faked on the hype, get sold on results. Another thing right here, basically, I had the targets for UJ, right? As you can see, we had the targets. This was the first target, the second target, third target, UJ targets right here. This was basically today. But I'm doing this video because we had NFP that was a few weeks ago, but I had some time to make it. So this was actually today. As you can see right here, these are the targets that I'm shooting for. Let me show you what happens next, okay? So we have the target right here. We have UJ right now. I'm drawing this move out. I'm predicting that this move will break out and rise and spike up all the way up here around this zone area, right? This is where the entry's at. I'm drawing it before it happens. How do I know this? Like I told you before. Now let's look at the results real quick. Boom. This is instant results. It's starting to move, but the move's not done yet. All of my students that took this signal that I sent out literally profited. Okay, remember the targets that I said. This 107, 179 area is right here. The second one is right here. The third one is already here. You do the pips. The results don't lie. Results do not lie. There it is. It keeps on going up. Look at the difference between how I drew it out, predicting it was going to spike up, and it spiked all the way up. Literally. That's how you read, and that's how you learn, is you learn from people that have what you want. You learn from people that have what you want. I can't really explain that very much, but, you got to really study the right people and learn how to trade Forex, learning the real strategies that actually work. And this is literally what we provide to our students, is we provide a platform use, SMS text alerts directly to your phone, me teaching you one-on-one, teaching you how to trade, how to have your money work for you, how to build you, how to help you, instead of you trying to, waste your time learning the wrong strategies and, just basically wasting time. There's no time to waste. Something I learned from my mentors was, find yourself a mentor who knows how to make money, knows how to do it as well. Because if you learn from them and you're coachable, you're gonna actually learn in a faster time frame than trying to figure it all out in a smaller time frame by yourself, trying to figure out the ins and outs when it's already been created. The platform, the strategies have been created because they work. That's what I've been creating. That's what I created. But yeah, I mean, like I said, the moves right here. I drew the move out, literally instant spike up, exactly how I said. Obviously now you can't just, you obviously can't be greedy. You gotta, you gotta learn how to take what you got, right? You can't just, be greedy, right? But there's some other moves right here. Let me just show you. Actually, this is a video too that I recorded of basically an NFP. Let me just show you of all my students are profiting. I basically said in 5 seconds, take positions now, take it, boom, instant profit. All my students profited. Just a little funny video right there. Nice signal. People are happy. All my students win, right? Anyways, this is another signal we had right here. Basically, I'm predicting that GJ is going to drop, right? It's going to drop all the way down. There's a nice pattern, nice move, solid, solid. Let's look at the next results. So before, after results, right? Numbers don't lie. And it keeps on going down. Keeps on going down, all the way down. And then there's another move right here. This is actually today. My zone with venture was right here. As you can see, it went all the way up, exactly from where I said. This is where I was looking to enter at, the blue side. Okay? And it did exactly what I said. I mean, it's like 25 pips, nothing crazy. And then, obviously, GJ is a very tough pair. They can come back anytime and literally come back for you. And, they'll take you out, wipe you out. But as you can see, the real pattern that I was showing is that it's a bullish pattern to rise all the way up and to keep on going up. But as you can see, they came back down, hit the stops, and they got out of there again. So basically, what I'm trying to teach you is really how to really build, how to really win big, how to not settle down for the wrong strategies and not know how to trade. Because it's like, if you have the wrong strategies, you're plugging in the wrong strategies into the market's going to crush you, right? The market's going to dominate you, crush you, and spit you right back out. And that's something that I figured out through all these years, all these failures, is what really worked, what didn't work, how does it happen, why does it happen, hours and hours working on my craft, that now I'm able to teach people, I'm able to build people, help people strategize what really happens, how it happens, and why it happens. But you're only going to get so far if you have a signal provider. You're only going to get so far, especially if you have a person that's providing you signals, but the wrong signals. Because a lot of programs out there that provide you signals, but they don't even work. They go against you. I mean, I'm not a basher. I don't like to talk crap, but there's a lot of companies out there I'm sure you guys know of. But just be careful who you really listen to, who you really take advice from, because there's a lot of people out there that don't even know two shits about what they're talking about. So, but other than that, I mean, I just showed you NFP, just showed you our moves from this morning. We've been killing it all freaking weeks. And I'm really happy to see that people actually have success through my program, through my platform. But I hope you guys are ready. This is a little quick video, but I have some new videos coming out, so just stay tuned. If you please just show a like, show some love to me, because this is what really motivates me to keep on throwing nugs, to keep on throwing videos out there. And I'm actually going to throw a new video of my new place I got in Miami, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys pretty soon. Let's get it.